Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check the first one, the first truck. The first one is a monster truck, a very nice monster truck. Now check the second one. Okay, the second one is a Mobil Truk or truck. You can see, very nice truck. Let's move forward. Now we can see another interesting truck. So I put some water. So I bring one and shake it in water. How about this one, everybody? Green racing car, very nice green racing car. The next one, Mobil Tanki, Mobil Tanki number 6, or tank truck. Okay, this one is a crane. You can see a crane truck, a crane. Now check the next one. How about this one, everybody? Bulldozer, a very nice bulldozer, very interesting bulldozer. You can see a sign of spider. This one is a hero Spider-Man, red color. Spider-Man, my favorite hero. Red color number 3, very nice. 4 wheels super motorbike, 4 wheels super motorbike. You can see, interesting 4 wheels super motorbike. Now check the next super motorbike. Bulldozer, yellow bulldozer, mini bulldozer. How about this one, everybody? Excavator, nice excavator, mini airplane, racing car number 9, very nice racing car. Green racing car. Everybody, so now let's move forward. So we can see another interesting truck. Now I put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Now I bring one. Okay, this one is an express bus, yellow color. You can see, amazing express bus. Now check the next. About this one, a logistic truck. There are a container. You can see, FedEx express service. Amazing super motorbike, amazing racing super motorbike, number 46, pink color. You can see, very nice, super beautiful, the most beautiful Okay, now check the next one. A cement mixer. A cement mixer track. A cement mixer track. Green supercar. After we check green supercar, now we check another supercar. Orange color. Now check the last one. Mini airplane. Mini airplane. Everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. If you like, if you love, please write down. And especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.